Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring capital letter alphabets A to Z. Kids, now we are opening the color of white. White color. The next one is yellow color. The color of yellow. Kids, the next one is black color. Now we are opening the color of black. And the next one is blue color. Now we're opening the color of blue. And the next one is green. The color of green. The last one is red color. The color of red. Kids, now we're coloring and draw alphabets A to Z. First we are using the color of yellow, and now we draw the capital letter alphabets A. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Subscribe to our channel. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N for nose and for nest. So kids, now we're using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. The color of red. O. P. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rice. S. The next one is C. U. U for umbrella. V. W. X. Y. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.